Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share something that could be a real game changer for your PC's performance. Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26. If you've been struggling with a sluggish computer, or if your Windows system just isn't running as smoothly as it used to, then this video is definitely for you. Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26 is designed to tackle all those annoying issues that slow down your computer. From cleaning up junk files to optimizing system settings, this software does it all. And the best part, it's incredibly user-friendly. If you're tired of your Windows system slowing down, this might be exactly what you need. Imagine not having to deal with those frustrating slowdowns and crashes anymore. Sounds amazing, right? First up, let's talk about the one-click optimizer. This feature is a lifesaver. With just a single click, you can diagnose and fix common Windows issues. It's perfect for both beginners and advanced users. No more digging through settings or messing around with complicated tweaks. Just click and you're done. Now, one thing I really appreciate is the user-friendly interface. The design is modern and intuitive, making navigation a breeze even if you're not tech-savvy. Everything is laid out clearly, so you can find what you need without any hassle. It's like having a personal tech assistant right at your fingertips. But that's not all. Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26 comes packed with additional tools that are incredibly useful. For instance, the file shredder ensures that your deleted files are gone for good, protecting your privacy. And the backup tool, it keeps your data safe and secure, so you don't have to worry about losing important files. Of course, while some features do require additional payment, the value you get from this tool is significant. It's a solid solution for maintaining the optimal performance of your PC. Think of it as an investment in your system's health and longevity. Keeping your PC clean and efficient has never been easier. So if you're looking to revamp your Windows system, give Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26 a try. Trust me, your PC will thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching. But wait, there's more. Let's dive a bit deeper into some of the standout features of Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26. One of my favorites is the Internet Cleaner. This tool helps you get rid of all the unnecessary internet traces that can clog up your system. Whether it's cookies, browsing history, or temporary files, the Internet Cleaner ensures your online activities remain private and your system runs smoothly. Another great feature is the Disk Doctor. This tool scans your hard drives for potential issues and helps you fix them before they become serious problems. It's like having a mechanic for your computer. And let's not forget the Startup Tuner. This feature allows you to manage which programs start when your computer boots up, significantly reducing startup times and improving overall performance. It's incredibly handy, especially if you've noticed your computer taking forever to start. With Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26, you can take control of your system's startup process with ease, and there's more. The software also includes a powerful defragmentation tool that helps to reorganize your hard drive, making data access faster and more efficient. This is particularly useful if you work with large files or have a lot of data stored on your computer. The defragmentation tool ensures that your system remains in top shape. So whether you're a casual user or someone who relies heavily on their PC for work, Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26 has something to offer. It's a comprehensive suite that addresses all aspects of system maintenance and optimization. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech expert to use it. The software guides you through each step, making the whole process straightforward and stress-free. So if you're ready to take your PC's performance to the next level, Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26 is definitely worth considering. It's a small investment for a big improvement in your computer's health and efficiency. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and reviews. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more content like this. Until next time, happy computing. Keeping your PC clean and efficient has never been easier. So, if you're looking to revamp your Windows system, give Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26 a try. Trust me, your PC will thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching. If you're looking to revamp your Windows system, give Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26 a try. Trust me, your PC will thank you. Give Ashampoo WinOptimizer 26 a try. Trust me, your PC will thank you. Your PC will thank you. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more tech tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.